All right, guys, so we have one of them videos I've been talking about where it's a very instant video that you guys need to be subscribed with notifications on to get to very early. As you guys know, today is the release of Coinbase's IPO. They're going public. It's a stock, and it's apparently going live for $250. Now, there's some big things that I want to talk about in this video, explaining why that's actually a very low price and why this price is going to skyrocket. But the main point I'm going to talk about in this video is my personal investment strategies for the Coinbase IPO. As I'm sure most of you guys know or think, this thing is going to pump when it comes out, but I think there's a better buy-in opportunity down the road than right away today. And I'll explain why I think that here coming up soon. First of all, I want to notify you guys, I've been planning this video for a while. I actually landed my second partnership on this channel. We are officially partnered with Webull. If you guys don't know what Webull is, it's basically the best place to trade stocks. They're open 24/7, so you can get in the early market, you can get in the late markets. The best part is if you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks up to $1,600. You could literally get a free Coinbase stock. You could get a free like Facebook stock or something like that. So literally you deposit $100. If you guys are like into crypto, I know a lot of you watching this video are because you're watching this channel. Let's say that you send $100 of Bitcoin over, you get the 2 free stocks, you can cash it out and send Bitcoin back to wherever you're at if you want to just look at it that way. But the link to sign up is down below. That's where I'm going to be doing all my stock trading from here on. I'm still mainly into crypto, but I do have a stock investment plan that I've been working on and educating myself a lot that we're going to be talking about in the future. But yeah, I just got that partnership, Webull.com or whatever. The link's down below. It's from what I understand, it's like the best app in stocks. I did a lot of research. I'm sure you guys have heard a lot of bad stuff about like Robinhood and stuff like that. So if you're looking for an easy app that you can just use on your phone, Webull is the app to go to, and the link is down below. So yeah, like I mentioned at the start of this video, you guys want to make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because sometimes I do upload videos like this that are very, very urgent. I know a lot of people that are planning to buy in at the open. I'm going to explain why I think my strategy is a little different, like I said. So make sure you guys are subbed with noties on, and then drop a like on this video, man. If you guys like making money, I mean, that's literally every video that I'm ever going to upload on this channel is going to be something about making money in one way or another, or maybe sometimes how I lost a lot of money, but hopefully not too many of them videos. But yeah, one very interesting thing that I think a lot of people don't know. So Coinbase is like the first crypto company that's going public, that's becoming a stock. Binance is actually the biggest exchange. So a lot of people are thinking that because they see how big the Coinbase stock is, that's the reason why Binance BNB is pumping. In theory, that's kind of Binance's like company, kind of, if you trade it as like a stock, is kind of BNB indirectly. But a very interesting thing about Coinbase, for those of you guys that don't know, the 2020 revenue of Coinbase was around $1.1 billion. And that is what the IPO is being priced at. Their evaluation of the year 2020 of $1.1 billion. And then recently, I think about a week ago, we had the 2021 first quarter reports for Coinbase, which was $1.8 billion in a single quarter. So basically, it's literally like 70% more on the one quarter versus the whole last year. Obviously, as you guys know, the beginning of this year, crypto has exploded. I can't even remember what Bitcoin was at the start of 2021. I want to say it was like 20 something K, maybe 30 something K, but it seems like every month we're like getting to a new like 10K increments. Like, you know, we had the 40s sitting around for a while, and then the 50s, and now we're in the 60s, and you know, a couple months from now we're going to be in the hundreds, and everyone's going to be so happy. But crypto's been pumping an insane amount because everyone's hyping up this Coinbase IPO. Now, a big reason that I think Coinbase is going to pump, one, obviously, because I just told you the reports of it's priced on the 2020 reports, but the 2021 reports have already blown it out of the water. And obviously they're doing just as good here in April as they were back then, because crypto's still going up. There's a lot of transactions, more and more institutions, like the list goes on and on. Obviously Coinbase is going to be one of the biggest companies. Like it's huge, right? But I think the biggest reason why this is going to pump, if you guys remember when all the game stuff happened, the people that were buying GameStop, investing in GameStop and pumping GameStop, it was kind of like against Wall Street, right? If you think about the world of crypto is kind of against Wall Street. It's against banks. It's against the paper hand. It's against all that stuff, right? Now I want you to think about for a moment how many people that you know have made a ton of money on cryptocurrency over the last year, 2 years, 3 years, however long it's been, right? Even the couple months. A lot of people have made a ton of money, myself included. Okay, so I plan on investing into the Coinbase IPO, and I plan on this thing absolutely mooning because there's a bunch of gamer degenerate investors that use Reddit and Twitter and all that, and that's how we invest our money nowadays. And we have a lot of money that we made on crypto, and we want to make Coinbase better than every other company because we don't like Wall Street. We don't like them. So that's my personal prediction. I think it's going to pump a lot. But I want to talk about my personal plan with this actual strategy to like catch the perfect pump and dump and whatever like that. Here's the thing. I was looking on Webull, and if you buy right now at the IPO, it says to put in a price of up to what you'll pay, meaning that basically this thing is guaranteed going to pump past 250 literally instantly. So I don't know who has these shares right now or who's going to get access to buy these shares like before the time of when you can actually buy the shares, but whoever's getting them at $250, they're vibing. Like, you are vibing hard if you're getting these at $250, because literally the app, even Robinhood said the same thing, the app is literally telling you this thing's gonna be worth more than $250. It's 100% worth more than $250. So what I expect to happen today, and this could actually be trading by the time that you guys are watching this, but here's my prediction before the Coinbase stock is out, before the IPO is released for trading. Here's my prediction. It's going to pump a ton. It's going to go way up, like way up. It's going to be way overbought. And right now, if you put in your buy order, let's say that you put up to $400, right? You might not get in. If you put up to $500, you might not get in. If you put into $600, you might get in, but then you might get in at like 570 bucks or something, right? I don't know how that's going to play, but this is the reason why I'm not doing it, is because you have to buy it that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this huge pump in the first day. And I think there might be a huge pump in the next couple of days, but I think over the weekend, when crypto is open and stocks aren't, I think the Coinbase IPO is going to drop dramatically. So I predict this thing to pump, honestly, around $1,000, if not even more than that. And as you guys know, today is Wednesday. So I expect that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be phenomenal days for anybody that's in the Coinbase IPO that gets in early. But then I predict Friday, late in the cycle, I think you'll see a lot of dumping. I think you'll see a lot of dumping over the weekend when people are moving money back into crypto, because crypto goes up on weekends and stocks aren't even open. So I think a lot of the people that are going to be investing into the Coinbase IPO are obviously very, very crypto heavy. I would say most of the people that are investing into it own cryptocurrency, and I would say a lot of the people investing into it, they kind of know the cycle of cryptocurrency. So why would they take all their money out of crypto to put in Coinbase, which is only open for not even like a fourth of the time, when crypto is literally open 24 hours a day, no matter what? So I do think it's going to pump a lot off the get. I think it's going to go way up, and then like I said, over the weekend, I think it's going to go down. People are going to sell at market close Friday, and then that next Monday, I think that's the time to buy. I think that's a time where it's not this instant, it just came out pump and dump type thing that's very, very risky. I think that Monday on open, I think that is the time to buy. And I think then you'll see that whole week it'll be steadily increasing. And then the dramatic drop off that we're going to be seeing at the end of the week, it'll still exist. I think with Coinbase, it will always exist, because a lot of people are going to be moving money over to their crypto accounts so they can, you know, play with it over the weekend. I think that'll always exist, but I think it'll be less and less dramatic each time. I think there'll be a lot of panic sellers. There's a lot of people obviously new in cryptocurrency. They're going to be getting involved with this. They don't really know how it works. I think the panic sell off on Friday night is going to be harsh. And I think the open on the Monday, what date would that be? Let me look at a calendar. Monday the 19th. That's when I'm planning to buy the Coinbase IPO. To me, it's too risky. I do think it's gonna pump, man, but it's risky. So I'm gonna wait until Monday, which gives me time actually on Webull. I'm just getting signed up, getting all my stuff linked so I can get money sent over there, so I can go ahead and prepare that. And I think this video is perfect because, one, it's making, like, you don't want to jump into a pump and dump, and I really think that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna pump massively and then it's gonna dump. So one, I think it's good for you to be safe with that. Two, you could go on Webull with the link in the description, get up to $1,600 free, and then you could just invest that on Monday, and not really even have to worry about throwing your own cash into this thing. You could even get a free Coinbase stock. So 2 stocks for free up to $1,600. And yeah, I'm so curious to see how this stock goes. The first cryptocurrency platform to go public, and I think any of them that do, there'll be so much support, because if you just think about all the money in cryptocurrency, how many people have made so much money, millions and millions and billions of dollars off of crypto, they want to move it in other places that are safer. I've seen a lot of crypto guys that have made a lot of money that are starting to get into stocks. And I got to tell you, this is something that I was thinking about before I even started to see these videos come out. But now you see it time and time again. Everybody's getting into stocks, kind of safer plays. And like I said, I'll be going over my stock portfolio, not only my stock portfolio, but also my stock strategy in the future. As I said, this is going to be a channel that invests in all kinds of different things. Anything that I see an opportunity to make money in, that's what we're going to talk about. And I hope you enjoy that, man. I hope you liked today's video. Let me know what your plan is with the Coinbase IPO. What are you guys doing? Are you guys hopping in today? If you're watching this video later tonight, maybe you already hopped in. Let me know how it went for you, man. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I do appreciate your support. With that being said, peace out, boys.